Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is No Chefs here. Tonight I am making chicken wings, but probably in one of the more healthier ways. I am going to steam them. The method and flavors are inspired by Chinese soy chicken. We will marinate the wings in solution of Shaoxing cooking wine and light soy sauce. It's quite simple, but it produces very flavorful results. In the end, I will also plate this alongside of one of the traditional dipping sauces. So let's get started. Here I have about 1.5 pounds chicken wings. Transfer wings into a shallow pan, big enough so that you can marinate them. Notice my left hand is handling the chicken, the right hand has been clean. So I can touch the bottles of my marinade ingredients without worrying about cross-contamination. Using this soy sauce, next is a Shaoxing cooking wine, I would say ratios were pretty close to 1:1. Go ahead and coat the chicken in the marinade. When you feel like all of the pieces are covered well, it is time to refrigerate this. Go for as much time as you have. I will be turning this chicken maybe every 30 minutes or so, just to make sure everything gets marinated well. I ended up marinating wings overnight, so let's take them out to help them come up closer to room temperature. While the wings are coming up to a room temperature, I've chopped up the following. Here, some ginger, just roughly chopped, together with the skin. This is just for steaming. Roughly chopped, couple cloves of garlic, one white part of green onion, just quartered, together with root. It's okay, it's just for steaming. Here I have ginger, 1 clove of garlic, and the green onion chopped up for our sauce. I also have 1 green onion stalk cut into thin strips, chilling out in this ice water. That's for garnish, totally optional. Alright, well, let's set up the steamer. Got the water, the rack ready. Just gonna put a sheet of foil here, add the chicken, and we'll be good to go. A little crowded, but I think it will work out. So let's add these ingredients that we will be steaming with. Just trying to spread the onion and preferably cut side onto the chicken so that the juice can, reach. Try to spread it around. Alright, close the lid, heat on high, probably about 20 minutes. But the real way to check it for doneness is when we will put a chopstick through it to make sure that the juices are running clear. For the dipping sauce, guys, I know in the beginning I said we would serve alongside with the traditional topping dipping sauce. So instead of pouring a hot oil right in there to make it more healthy, I opted out for mixture of soy sauce and rice vinegar. My favorite ratio is 2 parts soy sauce to 1 part rice vinegar. And it really tastes good. Besides, the marinade was the soy sauce base, so it all goes together. So it's been 20 minutes, start to finish, from cold to now. Let's take a look. Certainly looks beautiful. Take these off the heat and let them cool off. Here we are. They're still quite warm, but I think cold enough to handle. Look at this beautiful color. And they smell absolutely great. So let's go ahead and cut them up, plate, and see what we have. Well, here comes the fun part. Taste test. Take the drumette just by itself first. It is juicy and it's tender. Definitely can taste ginger, garlic, and soy sauce. It's gonna be difficult to not be messy here. Let's dip this into our sauce. Sorry if it was a little messy, but you know what, it's worth it. By the way, before I sign out, when you eat chicken wings, I want you guys to leave bone like this. No meat. Can't waste any meat. It's delicious. I even bite ends of the bone. Maybe too much information for some of you, but that's alright. That's me. So hopefully that encourages you to try some of the new techniques of making same chicken wings, or follow along, do this, see what you think, leave me comments in the comment section down below. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching as always. Take care.